Ghana munkomo eduru say no amaka chiro said na wayi wa manyoku ahweniwa because aha no on this show enye MPP ni NDC asem ya de enye no na ya kan se de ete no a de akire na enra ensem we beto odwa fa the decision of this telecommunication company MTN say wo mu betu anamo na o transfer sika free wallet so a umumo account mu e de akọ bank mu a 0.75% charge no one mo e de beto so no. In fact, I raise a lot of concerns. Ghana fo pinua no e ka ho asem na womo announce we say a couple around 5 Ghana cedis intino transactions will be no, and there will be a charge of 5 Ghana cedis to a year from wallet to a year bank account. Now Ghana for concerns no natural because you be paying where you charging on your Momo account so time near friend electronic levy e-levy no Ghana for who de ye in fact businesses be bring so who near omu when we hear something like a charge on transfers here in fact naturally it raises a lot of concerns. Ghana for expect to say any indirect levy bia ebe resurface ewo system ni mu no ebema the cost of living, the cost of doing business, any the cost of transactions no are unfavorable until bia be have a concern. Na owe aban nwumafo so ebi kura wo nkurase no ne no ma no a obi nso okura bia okogi sika bi na obi de to ne momo account so a ofin se bia ebetumi abase sika na egu na account so no eben no a odi no dodo edu obe pushi bi kura de egu ni bank account mu dodo no ayesa. And when it happens like wallet to bank in this no na transactions no a amanfo bi no ye pa ehu hia se bibi ba ho a mu fin say it will affect their lives omu raise concerns. Na ade amahu a hadwene ende bia maka se amanyosfo no omu nsua ade and they don't learn from experience no ma esisi a atwam. You see, when the ordinary Ghanaian sua na oye manyoni na wo de oye ho sesebe onya Ghanani and you don't want to understand almost perspective and almost views almost share e wo no ma bi ho a eya na ye me ya bebre because ene oye manyoni wonya ba bi atena ene oye politician something is favoring you kakrenti no you don't understand Ghana for be concerned. A good Bank of Ghana a director say the MTN telecommunication company no and suspend the answer. That doesn't mean say we instructed or say maybe or say the Bank of Ghana informs the public that Mobile Money Fintech Limited MFL has been directed to pause the implementation of its proposed 0.75% fee on direct wallet to bank transfers. The fee was scheduled to take effect on 1st June 2026, but is now on hold to allow for further consultation. And it doesn't mean say yes we munya cry bia momo emfa makura biem. Now they are going to have consultations. Whether they are going to even understand say 0.75 no okay yatem asem mfamra anase mamo mfama kura na monte somra 0.2 and amonya and so far we cannot conclude. It is just on hold for further consultation. And so, if the ordinary Ghanaian raise concerns, now unya politicians, they sit down there because they are comfortable. Omutna kunyasu because air condition chani hu frefreshia. Na okasa etwichi Ghana fwa eya na ye meya. Because ene ebia wa ban ne woso. You feel very comfortable. And you kasa, you talk with all sense of arrogance. Na me pese utie this woman. Na dia me ya ne se wasanso yoba. Ene me ya o yoba. See one Victoria Abdulai tie no.
message that if you are transacting from Momo to bank, they're going to take a cap of 5 Ghana cedis. It's a 0.75%.
Bra Facebook never no. Very fine lady. But in fact, she
message that if you are transacting from Momo to bank, they're going to take a cap of 5 Ghana cedis. It's a 0.75%, which is capped at 5 Ghana cedis on every transaction. If you're not comfortable with the 5 Ghana cedis, this is a network, a telecom operator, and it's telling you that pay 5 Ghana cedis for transaction. You can't attribute it to e-levy. If you're not comfortable, stop using the network and then use another network, or go to your bank and do your transaction. Do the withdrawal over the counter. This is as simple as ABCD. Attribute it to e-levy, a telecom operator. And it's telling you that pay 5 Ghana cedis for transaction. You can't attribute it to e-levy. If you're not comfortable, stop using the network and then use another network, or go to your bank and do your transaction. Do the withdrawal over the counter. This is as simple as ABCD. This is not the government of Ghana that sent a message to individuals.
So, I always say politicians. So, NDC, this sense of arrogance, one by one. The assertion is that charge na MTN for person omo charge and telecommunication company no profit inti no omo ye adwuma nti omo person omo ye omo charge bia we nya aban asem enye e-levy because enya aban and the this information e ba bontin maami asem no. Secondly, network bebre wo ho nti wo fin say MTN na say network na or the 5 cedis ne ba no enya mawo a jai ne ko use network foforo as simple as ABCD na se mo kana ma ba kire osisi a na Victoria Abdulai say e-levy information e ba ni mfiri aban ho nti o se enye e-levy, we understand, but even if sa de no nye e-levy a, is it not still the ordinary Ghanaian who is going to pay? Enye sike free Ghana ni botom no di betua by your logic no emfiri aban wonti eni se Ghana ni e show se wo concern me boa enya aban e na de ba aban na de release na banti eni se Ghana ni kasa ho se owo concern citizen no or how sika ye beje free ne ho no eni so kasa because it's not coming directly from the government. That is flawed reasoning. Nyansenim who controls the country. Policies ye de and ye de. In any case, why would the Bank of Ghana say abayin fa ho ade ntina Bank of Ghana this statement eba e ka kire telecommunication company say on pause on hold on this statement no. So we say am fa abayin ho company na ye na de eti Bank of Ghana no ne di bia ne senya wo ko ka kire we fo se MTN fo se mu hold on. Victoria, me bisa question. So we say nya ban na e kasa MTN fo na e kasa nti omo de omo pe na omo timi ye enti ade nti na Ghana fo e kasa ban na aye say e na ban na eti Bank of Ghana statement we no uhu ye no wan kasa no wadwene mu eto sen. Bank of Ghana na government institution. Why are they ordering MTN to stop? Because they should have a supervisory role. They should be able to stand in for Ghanaians. No more said the bua Ghana for the Juma be a war maimuno ebeye. And this will be complaining said the eba na be hanwa. Eya banya said yes say o ka bibi pabi and yes be reckless statement na o ko tena TV so awokan. So they to me yemo arrogance. And to go share Bank of Ghana statement now. What someone got to good TV so no? Say telling Ghanaians to stop using the network. You can use any other network you please with, and then and that is simple as ABCD. Madam, it's not simple as ABCD. This concern is essential for daily survival. So businesses may suffer. Eya mo kasa to mean like you don't even reason through adena person o kan ye. Then you end up person Ghana for feelings as if ye kwasiafo ana. Yentia na Sam George beka kire say eyi telcos ni wo mudu medie nyina no ono Sam George is active and you make sure say they will do what we want. No ama Ghana for ho atoy including airtime, data ne de kekanka. And then something is coming up wa ni e kan wo beka kire say emfa ban. Na Sam George is that time na to me ben wo so de ka kire MTN ne the others ne say data no wo montete so mai. Se telcos no omo enye government ministry ni ade na ehwe omo so and the Bank of Ghana mo supervisory role on their monetary transaction ni ade na e dey na Sam George be catch say that time data ne airtime no obeboa hwa se ombetete so amaye se mo sorry ya ufinsi ya ma Mike ubetumi akade opebia to me ndi and now na wa bam you are talking like this to Ghanaians. Na charge bi sini charge bi mi bi say o charge bi esuni charge bi say you live near charge e na we nso be charge ni nyina ye sika ana ndi o beje ahahan is it no money at a time wa wo ka kire ye say the economy has improved and no ma ye kama we are even calling on investors ye free IMF no ma stabilizing businesses can thrive until other investors ni mre kro mu establish business no Ghanaians will expect say yen ko hu bibi foforo bi e be mia yen dem mom no ma be go smoothly and it is legitimate they raise concerns mo kasa che say sometimes we feel say Ghana for no me say o comment we no ama NDC kura lusu floating voters bebre. I'm telling you. Womo dwene bebre no. Edwene kwachiri susuye fansem. What did you matem? What did you matem? It's simple as ABCD. Untumi nyusu ako. Hey, now a Ghanaian raise concern. This is how you talk. Victoria, your statement was reckless. It undermines the credibility of your government. So unimwa. I don't understand why all of a sudden enye mema nimpu emane wo NDC muno chese eminwanwa. I don't understand. Last time it was Greater Accra Regional Minister Linda Oklo. Yeah, did not in regional transfer. Your punishment. Say no be keke to me na ye ho. And then we are Dr. Mary Wanwa ye wusi. Ono so akwa attack Apostle Dr. Eric Nyameche. Chese wo hwe de be ba no a egu aban nanimu ase NDC aban ye otisu John Dramani Mahama egu aban nanimu ase pa akoye ma no e man kasa nye. What is happening to the females in the NDC? Adan is becoming too much. I now understand why Omode release by say they are now going to change Omobeko TV so that Omoabe regulate. I now understand. And man your opportunity say ya kese mu prove say bibia ni ayema manwrem. Me I'm actually me advocating for a mapa e wo bibia mu. But if you're a woman and you are given opportunity, then you could talk like this to Ghanaians. It's very shameful. Very, very shameful. This is what I see Edun Ketia should be sitting at the back and be looking at. And be advising them. And so Transi as a chairman, now we advise you communication. And when a man buying who ye he, and when a money pay job buying, say wuni more. And no man will be kicking a many pa a job buying. Say, ubit me, I say, ubit me, pa jai. Say, pa jai. Why you when you play that side to her, play to her more NDC for no, more pena muncha hono, more monchre no bear 10 times psychologically. No one reason through a seven no account with TV. So you need to apologize to Ghanaians. Say, to me a jai is simple as ABCD. Now Panante call bank when they call Usika. How? Well, politicians nano, you would hamo. Me say to me ba. Na dwene na dase eyinu kutono treze. Bibia ni wife e wo Ghana for ho a fam. That is what I think, because how would you even make this statement? So when you have power, you don't think about Ghanaians anymore. They can't raise concerns anymore. What do you want to tell us, Victoria Abdulai? Are you too bad?
Nhyira 104.5
Eja tiato. Ye kanu se de tie na. Fa de anim osoro nim. Akokoa tenase.